it's really important to have an international conference such as this, where we have a melting pot of ideas. We're able to share what really is working here in the country, reflect on the knowledge, insights and skills that are being shared from those who have come from outside, because what we want to do is be able to leapfrog our nation towards affordable, quality, accessible healthcare.
And then ISPI's main theme for the conference is leveraging real-world evidence to help with patient safety in Africa.
For this year, we want to bring people together. We want to bring together pharmacists, we want to bring together researchers, and what we all have in common is an interest in medicines. So thinking about how we can use medicines to improve health outcomes in all of the communities that we're working in, whether it's a hospital, whether you're working for a non-government organisation, whether you're a researcher and you're based in a university, we're all interested in how we can use medicines in the best way possible.
I wish to acknowledge PSK for the immense contribution you have made to the health sector since independence. Distinguished professionals, our celebration today is not so much a festivity, but a solemn occasion to pause and look back at the 60-year journey, an opportunity to reflect on challenges and what we can do better.
And therefore, the whole issue is how do we get the people we are training or the institutions of higher learning embarking on research, because that is where we are going to be able to solve a lot of those problems.
First, for our young pharmacists, they'll want something in their pocket, isn't it? There are no jobs. Have we asked ourselves why they don't have jobs? You see that they have restricted themselves. They want only to be dispensing at the window. They want to be doing retail pharmacy. Is that the only place they can be employed?
As healthcare providers, it's important that we take extra time just to understand the unique needs of the different patients versus the medication that we are giving them.
Given the international scope of this conference, there are 4 major global health issues that are being addressed by this conference. Number 1 would be AMR. AMR is a global pandemic. We have a lot of interventions that have been discussed to address this issue.
So we want to have a pipeline that takes and produces more pharmacists by creating modules that are able to help and upgrade pharmtechs to pharmacists, pharmacists into specialists, and have that entrenched in law.
It's been a pleasure to be a guest or delegate at the PSK ISPI Conference 2024. What a wonderful collaboration that we've seen this year, where information was exchanged between domestic professionals, including delegates that traveled from all over the world to attend this very prestigious conference. The information was outstanding. Remarkable scientific work has been done within the country, in Kenya, and we were able to learn what is currently being done here and internationally, so that we were able to exchange information in this wonderful scientific platform that PSK put together in 2024.
My experiences at this conference have been really great. It's been wonderful to interact with pharmacists from throughout Africa, and particularly from Kenya. I've had the opportunity to network with people in my research interests, and it's been amazing really to see the support that pharmacists give to the profession and in attending conferences like this. I've learned a lot, I've made friends, and I've had relationships that I'm going to cherish for quite a while.
I think it's a really unique opportunity within Kenya to talk to researchers and pharmacists, to think about what we each do in our daily practice, but also to see things from a different perspective.
It's been a great opportunity having this conference in jointly collaboration between Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya and International Society of Pharmacoepidemiology. I think given the UK perspective and hearing what the colleagues in the PSK are doing to progress the pharmacy profession is great. I think they are in the right direction, and I can see how the PSK is actually trying to establish new policy and regulations to enhance the clinical role of pharmacists within the community and primary care.
PSK ISPE conference has been an enlightening experience where I've had the opportunity to network with multiple people from different places in the world, pharmacy professionals with experience in matters in industry, in also pharmaceutical care and policy, who are driving the agenda to make sure that we are able to get quality assured health products and technologies and proper pharmacy care as is required by quality standards by the WHO and the Ministry of Health in Kenya.
A 5-day conference, very well attended from pre-conference to the main conference activities. It's been very engaging. I like the way the panels have engaged with the delegates and the exhibitors. We've had a lot of fun activities in the evenings. We've had speed networking and also very rich discussions, panelists and poster presentations, which we hadn't done in a while. So the conference was a success.